in. Oh, she's done. Muffler delete. We're good to go. I don't think California would go for that. Hi, Jesse.
What up?
Slave one. Okay.
Yeah. Black guy's got a slave shirt on. What do you know?
Canceled. Canceled.
Cancel.
You canceled yourself.
All
right.
I'm a minority.
This is what's going on today. Got side skirt extenders, bumper lip, side skirt extender number 2, and in the boot our 2 rear valences. Might cut this down as the body shop suggested, the mud flaps here. We'll see. And yeah, we just measured where to put this and finally figured out there's no instructions, so maybe this is a tutorial almost. So marked it here with a white grease pencil, and so it came with these 2 brackets here. Where's the other one? Oh, it doesn't matter. Anyway, there's this bracket here, and there's a screw already in. So if you can see that screw, I just pulled that out. It was already there, and I put this I guess mounting point in. There's a little tiny space here, and this is just enough to put the side skirt extender. It just kind of fits in, and then I marked it under with a grease pencil, and now I'm gonna drill a hole, and yeah, I guess put some double-sided tape here. Got 20 yards, so basically like, and I'm gonna put that on here. I'm gonna need to heat this up with a heat gun first a little bit. Not enough to burn it, but it's gonna go straight across, and then maybe another strip down here, maybe just a little bit more kind of in here just for some extra reinforcement. And then on the sides, this kit came with some self-tapping screws, so I might put it over. I don't know if I'm going to reuse these fender liner screws. Maybe, yeah, so I might actually just go right into it, so we'll see what happens. What was that? What was that?
I said just punch right into it, no lube or anything.
You know me.
In your video, just have like the Pornhub theme go there. Boom.
The what?
The Pornhub theme.
Oh.
You've never heard it?
Okay.
Okay, well, whatever.
I don't know. I don't watch porn.
No, I'm just saying, like, it was like a, you know, whatever. It was an ongoing gag for a while.
Uh,
Well, it was small, but...
hold on. Let me see. Alright, so that'll stick out a little bit, man. No big deal. I think it's gonna be like that, and then.
Did you have it right the first time, or is this the right way?
This is the right way.
Okay.
And then this flange nut goes on, and then that's, yeah, doesn't stick out too much. It's gonna be just fine. Potentially expensive mistake with this 3M tape. It's not flush up against the top of the trim here. So we're gonna knock this out a little bit because this mold scoots out instead of going straight. So just maybe like a few millimeters here. Try not to drill this in to the side so it stays on. So glue fails. You know, I'm almost tempted, Jesse, to say kind of knock some of this out and try and keep it flush with the tape so the tape actually will adhere. I don't know. We'll see. There we go. Boob cam.
Well, you got a cam.
Oh, well, I'm like a. Wait, I'm not telling the internet. What am I? None of your damn business. Almost tricked me. Foiled again.
Yeah, good. I'm learning.
Such a boy. Did you do that on purpose?
No.
You're right. Subconscious bullcrap. Yeah, I don't think this is coming up. We might need to make another.
Of this tape.
Not my shirt, that's for sure.
Well, you're the one who said you're gonna say you want to show me the goods.
God damn. I meant the side.
Sure
skirts.
you did. Sure, Emma. Sure you did.
Don't take your frustrations of not having Danish girlfriend out on me.
Why can't you be fucking Danish?
Gay.
Dane!
Nah, it's not the same thing.
You know what? Bite me.
What happened to what's her face?
Erin?
Yeah.
I haven't been able to talk very much lately, unfortunately. She's got a lot of shit going on.
Yeah, alright.
Family stuff and, I don't know. Don't get me wrong, it's not necessarily off the table, but at the same time, it's like kind of not a very good point for her. I mean, it was nice to see her back in January, but unfortunately, I wasn't feeling all that great, so it just kind of feel like it, you know, the whole visit got kind of muddled.
Yeah, hopefully we have enough to eat the rest. I think the rear valences will go on just fine, actually, without having to mess with the mud flaps. Honestly, if we mess up the rear valences, I can just order more.
Honestly, I think having it go like this rather than having the top is probably for the best.
Yeah, I think so too.
More economical, you know?
Well, maybe. I mean,
because it goes, you know, we can kind of press the whole thing.
Yeah.
Rather than having to worry about if that part, a certain edge is sticking or not.
Plus it's just one thing, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Or is that what you meant?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much.
Pretty much?
Pretty much, there are lads.
I'm Scottish. I mean, technically.
No, you're not. You pronounce the T. You're not Scottish. Scots don't pronounce their T's.
Depends on where you're from.
I'm
from America.
Oh, sorry. You Scottish bitch. No, you Scottish wannabe.
Yeah, I'm mostly
You're
Scottish.
just a fat bastard is what you are.
Aww.
Well, now that I think about it, I also have my license, or my car registration that's due next month.
Oh yeah, what license plate did you say you wanted, Jesse?
Step bro.
Uh-huh.
Technically, I kind of am.
Yeah, you can put that as your reason. I bet you anything is taken though, especially in Alabama.
No, it's not even step bro. It's just bro. Or if we're in this generation, bruh. Step bruh.
Step bear.
Step bruh.
Step bear.
Step brother.
Step bear. Step bear, man. Okay.
Easy there, Boomhauer.
I've been watching a lot of King of the Hill actually. I've never actually watched all the way through it, so I just started watching from episode 1.
Wow.
I'm like almost season 3.
How many seasons are there? Like
13.
I would say like 13, isn't it?
Pretty good show actually.
Yeah, it's got some good shit on it. Not gonna lie.
I actually might like it more than Family Guy.
That's not saying much, though.
Well, Family Guy used to be really funny, though.
Yeah, until season 4 came out. In which case, it's just kind of like
Season 4 is fine.
Season 4 is okay, but then they started doing like the same gags over and over, and it's just kind of like.
You know, you can't find that they got rid of that joke with the Asian lady. Okay, I go now, and she like causes a major crash.
Really? They got rid of it?
Yeah, from all streaming platforms. You can only get it on DVD for the original run.
Pansies.
Yeah, well, we don't want to offend people.
That's the point.
I know.
That's what Family Guy's all about. It's like fucking South Park does that.
No, don't do gay jokes either. So then all they make fun of is Jews and white people, because that's who's writing the show.
Yeah.
Because like the guy who did Cleveland's voice quit because he's white. I better give it to a black guy.
That's funny.
No, now give it to a black guy.
I thought it was hilarious, like when they did you know, when Peter like crosses like a black cat, then he's got like a black crow, and then like a black guy crosses his path, and he's like freaking out even more.
Yeah, they don't do those jokes anymore.
I say, I don't know about you, but I find that shit hilarious.
Oh, of course, people like being made fun of. Because stereotypes are funny. It hurts people. Yeah, if you're a pussy. You say, my pronouns. I think that's gonna work, so let's stage it. Alright.
There we go. Look at that shit.
I know, right?
Fuck yes.
Finally.
Fuck yeah.
Team America.
Fuck yeah.
Gonna undo this guy here. Well, it doesn't need to be hanging around. Alright. Yeah. If you guys have loose rubber, just cut it out. There's no point in keeping it here. Now, I probably do need new boot covers. I think my suspension feels okay for the most part. But, yeah, well, let's cut this crap off here. No point having it. Okay, that feels better. I think that's probably okay. It's gonna keep coming off. So, I'll just cut the obvious loose stuff. And then put the tire back on. And I'm gonna have to change the battery in the GoPro soon. So let's tighten these up. Jack it down. I'm gonna flip the car back around so it's facing the other direction. We're gonna put the other side on. And I think we're gonna do the front bumper and maybe the rear valence, depends on how much time. It just got really foggy all of a sudden.
Okay.
Huh?
All good?
Yeah. Alright.
Start to steal this back.
Yeah. Nom nom.
If I ever went with a GoPro,
Let's add up to
I
olive.
have one that can mount on one of my planes.
Oh yeah. Hi Darren, you want some olives? I dropped one. Probably look like shit. Dylan's gonna have an olive. Also, his food is not very good, so he deserves an olive.
You should open up a reptile massage or spa business.
Ooh.
We give you reptile back scratches, and we give them a full-length body massage, and we give them a treat, i.e. most likely a rodent for most of them. Rodents or crickets.
Oh my god, doing Rallycross is the Pink Ranger. What do you think?
Fucking do it.
Hell yeah. Alright, so let's get...
Oh, hell, bro.
Oh.
Got it.
Yeah? Alright, well, yeah. Let's do it.
I know I got one.
Pink can wait for now. Oh, this is a gloss, so I'm thinking kind of interesting. So, I'm gonna do chrome first and we'll see.
Okay.
Or maybe I'll do pink first and then we'll see, because I can always go over it.
Right.
So, let's do that.
Chrome pink.
Chrome pink. I'd be down with it. Yeah, so I did the 3D modeling of this in Blender. I took the Camry LE logo. Actually, I didn't take the LE, I just took the Camry logo. And I got the Camry, and I had to make, I just copied the A over, and I took the A, flipped it, and cut off this end. And so I made 2 L's and kind of elongated it a little bit. And then Jesse put a little bezel on it after that. And then he 3D printed it. So my modeling skills do come in handy every once in a while. Big Ranger, yeah. Alright guys, moment of truth. Painting's always exciting to unveil.
Hey, what?
Painting's always so exciting to unveil.
Is this right?
It's like, did I do a good job?
Look what I did.
Oh my god.
I'm an adult, so I can do shit now.
I'm an adult. Yeah, this one's gonna be interesting. So I wanna
Dr. Scratches here.
take off from the inside. I think. Let's go this way. This is gonna be interesting. We're gonna be inside here. We pull up. Don't accidentally take the paint off of us. I've been bad, I'm great. I don't want to pull from too far either. Right. Just the part where the... So there's one little boo-boo, and I'll show you. This side's up a little too high. And it's getting caught right there, if you can see. So what I'm doing, I don't want to, the tape was really good. I don't want to take the screws out. So what I'm doing here is knocking this out here with this knife. And it's okay like that to give it pressure. It's not gonna go flying backwards. I'm just going one little bit at a time, and then I'm standing over it until it stops making that noise. And it was doing it on more of the door. So really with these kits, you know, they're molds. They're not gonna be perfect. You know, Toyota didn't make them. So all the batteries to film it, because no one has these.
Really?
So I gotta film it for people.
Whoa, Miss Lowe.
The world must know.
The world must know
Dr.
the
loves.
greatness of emerald engineering.
Dr. Strangelove. What is the point of having the most powerful weapons if you don't use them? I butchered that quote, but... Morning. Morning. Today we are going to go look at the car with the trim on it and the rear where I painted and put on the Camrally badge. And then we are going to go back to Novato to go to Cars and Coffee and then do a fun Target run because, well, it's Target. You can always find something you want. So let's go do that right now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, look at that. It's almost like it's awesome. Heck yeah. Honestly, that's not bad. The Camrally badge holding up. Is it still there from the drive home? She's still there. Camrally. Cool. Let's go. There. do not want. So my bushings are fine. It's all good. Oh, she's done. Muffler delete. We're good to go. I don't think California would go for that. It'd be funny.
This is, I like it.
Which one's that?
This is
That's
really good.
Magnaflow? Yeah, okay.
This is Magnaflow.
Oh, yeah? Oh, this way. What RPM is that?
¿Cuánto lo estás levantando? ¿A 200? Ponle 3, 353, 350. Lo sostiene. 3 y 350. ¿Ok? Quiet?
No.
You like it?
Yeah.
You need more quiet, I put it all the moment, a little more quiet.
We can try it.
Okay?
It's hard to tell. Can he? Did he did 3,000?
Yeah. Lo estás poniendo en 3,000 now?
That's 3,000. Let's try that one again. Yeah, can I hear that one again at 3,000?
Okay, Luis, una vez más.
Sounds nice. How loud do you think it is? How many decibels do you think it is?
I laugh. For me, I like it. I don't know.
Yeah, I like it too.
It's for you.
I like that one.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's do that one.
Thank you, Luis.
But I think it shifted the cradle a tiny bit and shifted this. There was so little room for that crankpulley that now it's like oh okay. Yeah, it's just really close. It's around the corner. Yeah.
I did a thing. I got a racing helmet. I'm gonna be racing the Camrally. I signed up for a NorCal Rallycross event coming up here in a few weeks. And let's see if I can push this up. There we go. And I just drove this home in a 2-minute drive with it on. And I got a significant amount of stairs, as you can imagine. Pretty cool. It's got air vents here. It's got air vents here. And I think in the, is that in the back? No. No. Oh, here. All right. Something like that. Actually, I think it's just, it might be those. Okay. And, pretty fun. So let's do the super fun part together. Let's go bounce, bounce. Ooh, yeah. Bounce, bounce,